Hey, I'm Idris, Director of Marketing and Sales at Hopskip Media. The times, they are certainly less weird these days, but they're still weird. As the world begins to return to what we once knew as normal, while trying to spend money in return, it's becoming more important than ever for brands to show up wherever they can, whenever they can, but especially online. Visibility is the name of any game. As your audience and potential customers turn to the web first to get everything that they need, your ability to make sales is dependent on how visible you are in the places those people congregate and hunt. So I'm here to talk a bit about a tool that can help. Now, this tool not only helps you show up for those potential customers, but it can help you target a specific audience while you do just that. I know most of you have heard of Google Display Network, and I'm going to talk for a minute about how it can do those things and a few more things. So how does Google Display Network work? Google AdWords is made up of basically two networks, Search and Google Display. The Search network focuses primarily on strategies around people who are actively searching for something and then fighting to get in front of them at the moment of search. Depending on the type of business, that can be a limit to the traffic since its focus is specifically on people that are actively searching for something. Google Display Network provides an advertising channel that isn't limited to search traffic. So this allows you to target audiences who might not have been on Google search. Google Display Network also provides targeting options to define demographics that are most likely to be interested in your products and services, even before they've searched for it. So how do you do this? Well, by using display ads. Display ads themselves are powerful visual banners. Creating display ads is proactively marketing to an audience right at the crucial point of either making a purchase or thinking about it. Display can reach about 90% of the internet users, and it's distributed across over 2 million websites. So what are some ways that you can put it in action? Well, for starters, we can do brand awareness campaigns. So if you think for a second, the people who are not aware of your product, they might be actively searching for something related to it, but there they might not see you because depending on how you rank for those specific keywords that they search for, you could be somewhere visible, or you could be deep down in the search result pages deep below. But see, this is where Google Display Network comes in because you can actively publish your ads across the network and reach more people, especially in cases where you might be a new brand or a new product launching awareness campaigns, and that can raise your business's visibility. And building on that awareness will encourage brand recognition and familiarity. As sociologist Luhmann says, familiarity is a precondition of trust. So you use frequency, assuming you've targeted the right audience, people will grow to trust your brand, and you become a reliable choice. But sometimes targeting a wide audience seems like it might not help you. Your ads could get lost in a sea of millions of ads out there. It may reach a massive audience, but your advertising goals may not reflect that huge number that you've been reaching. In those cases, niche targeting can be important to get your ads directly to your preferred audience. The Google Display Network allows you to be more specific. You can tailor fit ads to niche keywords, niche audiences, and niche websites. You can target content using keywords that are very specific to your area. You can target audiences based on demographics and interests using geo-targeting and other factors. And you can target specific websites according to their content. That will allow your ads to appear only on sites that have content related to your product. So by niching down keywords, audiences, and websites, you can avoid paying excessive fees, which makes this channel a great alternative for getting the most out of your money and getting your niche audiences out directly. So these are just a few general ways to leverage Google Display Network. It's a channel that's matured over the years to provide advertisers with ways to generate demand, build brand, and gain conversions. So working with the right people is key, of course. So of course, if you do have questions, we're always here to chat. Reach out anytime. But until then, we'll see y'all online. All right?